What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna give you a gaming demo of my new 4.1 Class D amplifier that I have built, and I have showed you how I built that. So that's the amplifier right there. So you can see this thing is turned on, and that's the main volume control to control all the channels and subwoofer, and that's the secondary volume control for the channels at the top, and that's the subwoofer control pod. So these are the main channels, mini tower speakers, right one, and on this side the left one, and the secondary they are at the top of this monitor. That's the monitor, and they are at the top. That's the right channel, and that's the left channel. So I'm gonna put this thing in a high volume possible, and gonna play few games, and you can see the performance of this thing and can hear the sound quality and clarity and all. So let's start the show.
Nothing. Not even the faintest trace of their beacons.
Look, Wrecker, across the bridge, hotel. All their focus is on the U.S. stronghold in Old Town. All the way to the front. You see a way to get across the highway?
Local triggerman guard the compound.
Who's still here?
Sweep under the docks!